Okay, ready? Let's go.
We are going up animal park. We are going to get some big ones. I have lots of friends. Oh, what's that up ahead? It's a forest. Can't go around it. Can't go over it. We have to walk it.
Walk through it.
Walk through it.
Very good. So, what kind of animals are in a forest? Emily A.
Owl.
An owl. Very good. Kate?
Bear.
A bear. Very good. Jamie? Let's see. What else? Who can help Jamie? Emily A?
Raya.
Not quite in a forest.
Jungle.
The Pride Lands, but we can talk about that later. Thomas? What else is in a forest? Okay.